Hello viewers, welcome back on my channel. My name is Pooja and in this video I am going to share you the 7 major positive emotions that has revealed by Napoleon Hill, because I am reading this book and this chapter names is the subconscious mind, and here are mentioned 6 major positive emotions. So let's start, and I'm ecstatic to share these 6 positive emotions because I love to be positive. So first one is the emotions of desire. Everyone have to desire. Everyone, if you have desire, then you will going to meet with success. So second is the emotions of faith. That's the point. If you have dream, if you have desire, so you have to keep up faith on your goals. Then faith is everything. If you believe, then you can achieve. And third point is that the emotions of love. Love doesn't mean to fall with a boy, to fall with a girl. Love means whatever you are doing, just love that without any reason. There is no reason, like you are in job, like you are pursuing your own business, you just keep it up. Sometimes you got disappointed that it's risky, it will happen good or not, but still you are going, you have belief. This is called also love. The emotions of sex is a state of your structure, not it's a power, hidden power that we have to explore by the time. And people are just thinking about between two people what the physical activity happens, that is called sex, but in reality it is not like that, because many philosopher has describe it. They what it's called, they define it in a clear way. If you really want to know what is sex, you should go for that, rather than you can stuck in a conflict. So don't stuck in a conflict, clear your mind that what is sex. So the emotions of sex is very high, like when sexual emotions start rising in our mind. You have you observed that emotions, maybe you have observed. So same thing happens with work. When with work, as a body like structure, as a everything that we include, because I don't have much idea about this. And fifth point is that the emotions of enthusiasm. Enthusiasm means excitement, happiness, positiveness, zeal, that is also called, desire, persistence, I can do it, this belief, that is also called enthusiasm. So Hindi it is called utsaha. And 6 is the emotions of romance. Romance is the state of a person's mind when you feel everything good, when you fall in love with someone. So that's time when you spend your time with that person, you are just feeling, oh my god, I am in heaven. Same thing is here with your work, with your job, with your desire. When you feel that, you got romantic in that way. So this is also implemented in your goals. Always falling in love with a partner and romantic with a partner is not called. You can romantic with your goals. And 7th, last but not the least, the emotions of hope. Hope is most important. If you have hope, then you will get then you are going to meet with your success, because like you set your goal, and if you don't desire, like you have desire, but if you don't believe on goal and you don't have any hope, you are hopeless that might be working or not. But you have, when you have this believe that definitely it is going through, because I'm working hard, I like to achieve that hope makes you, it's a great positive emotions, we have to hold that. So these are the 6 emotions, like emotions of desire, emotions of faith, emotions of love, emotions of sex, emotions of enthusiasm, emotions of romance, and emotions of hope. These are the greatest positive emotion that has been told by Napoleon Hills. And guys, you also believe in this, I just believe in this. So that is all about today's video. I just hope it will help you to know that what's the missing point you have, and you just follow this, because these are the 7 positive top positive emotions. So let's start to follow this and implement in your life, and you are feel that nothing is going according to me, then start saying this, yeah, this will work when we are working on this. So bye bye.